So tell me, Michelle, in your wordings, what is it that you got out of this first workshop, soul coaching, in terms of the Dharma, pretty much the access to the Dharma that you got, and the understanding and the awareness of your emotional pattern, perhaps, and what has been going on in your childhood?
Well, the thing that I got really present to was that aspect of the mother and the father, and the awareness that I was conceived in love, and how much love I had from both my parents, that I was like cherished. And I'm so grateful for that experience, because now I can bring that aspect of underlying loved and underlying being cherished to all of my clients in the work that I'm doing. And I'm in the process of recreating this new work that I want to present. And when I can come from that place of love, which is all there is, that depth will come through of love. And then in the moment of death and our last breaths, when we can remember that we were born in love, and that when we go in love, that's our gift, that's our passage. So that's what I learned from the Dharma workshop. It was very good. I really thank you.